In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix automatic send receive not working in Outlook. If Outlook has stopped syncing on its own, we'll walk through a few quick checks and safe adjustments that usually get mail flowing again. Start by making sure Outlook isn't stuck offline. Open Outlook and go to the Send Receive tab. Look for Work Offline. If it looks active, click it once to return to online mode. A fast way to confirm is to press F9, which triggers a manual send receive. If messages begin to move, that's a good sign. You can also glance at the status bar at the bottom. If it says working offline or disconnected, you're not connected to the server. After changing the offline toggle, close and restart Outlook to fully re-establish the connection. Give Outlook a moment after restart to handshake with the mailbox. Next, verify the automatic schedule. Go to File, Options, Advanced, then scroll to the Send Receive section and click the Send Receive button. In the Group Settings window, make sure Schedule an automatic send receive every X minutes is checked for both when Outlook is online and when it is offline. A 5 to 10 minute interval is a practical balance so new mail arrives regularly without being too aggressive. Some setups show separate checkboxes for each account and each group. Ensure the ones you actually use are selected. Click Close, then OK, and test by either waiting for the interval to pass or pressing F9 again to force a check. If Outlook still won't run the schedule reliably, recreate the Send Receive group. Return to File, Options, Advanced, and click the Send Receive button. Select your current group, such as All Accounts, click Copy, and give the new group a clear name. This copies your existing account selections but rebuilds the behind-the-scenes schedule data, which is often where corruption lives. Then disable the old group by unchecking Include this group in Send Receive F9 for both online and offline modes. Close the windows, exit Outlook, and start it again so the new group becomes active. Finally, clear bottlenecks and rule out add-ins. Open the outbox and remove or shrink any messages with large attachments, especially anything over about 20 megabytes, then resend. Many mail providers cap messages near this size, so oversized items can clog the queue for everything behind them. If needed, split large files into smaller messages. To test for add-in conflicts, start Outlook in safe mode by searching for Outlook.exe safe and launching it. Alternatively, go to File, Options, Add-ins, choose COM Add-ins, click Go, and uncheck all to disable them temporarily. Common add-ins like archiving tools, security scanners, or CRM connectors can delay Send Receive. Safe mode turns them off for a clean test. With add-ins off, try Send Receive or press F9 to see if syncing resumes. That's it. Thanks for watching.